How to fix Windows Update install error 0xc1900208. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error code. The first method is run Windows Update troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, Other troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. For which problem are you experiencing? Select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Yes. Click on yes. Check for Windows Update errors. Problem diagnosed. Good news. We detected a problem and have attempted to resolve it. Windows Update will now scan and attempt to install any missing updates. Please check and let us know if they are successfully installed. The system will start checking Windows Update after that. Let the checking complete. If the update is being downloaded, let it download and follow the second method, which is uninstall third-party antivirus or other programs like VPN app, anti-cheat, voice meter, driver, Bing wallpaper. For this, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, find third-party antivirus if installed. Also check for VPN app or anti-cheat program or voice meter. Sometimes Bing wallpaper also trigger this issue, so also check it. Once found, uninstall it. To be fair, I have not installed this software. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on three dots and select uninstall. Click on uninstall. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions until removal is complete. If there are multiple apps, then follow the same steps one by one. Then close the settings app. Now delete temporary files. After uninstalling the programs, right click on Start, select Run, type temp in this box and click on OK. Select all the files, click on Delete, check this box and click on Skip. In the same way, once again open the Run dialog box, type %temp%. Click on OK. Check this box, click on Delete. Check this box here, click on Skip. Go to the recycle bin and empty recycle bin. Then restart your computer. After that, try to install the update. If any methods don't work, then run in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link. Go down. From the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section, click on select download and select this option for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Select the product language. Check the language of your system. Click on start. Go to settings. Select time and language. Click on language and region. Windows display language is English United States. This is the language you have to choose. So click on choose one and select the language. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the folder icon. Select the ISO file and click on mount. On the open file security warning pop-up, click on open. Right click on the setup.exe file and select open. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on next. For the applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Finally, click on install. Windows will restart a few times and the update will be installed along with Windows 11. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.